Indices globally were moving up. The stock has now moved to the high point of the day, but that's not because of the fundamentals that we were talking about in terms of prices, but there's an exchange notice that's come in there that the board will be meeting on 29th of March to consider a special dividend. So explains why that stock has moved up. I think we should get that for you on the screen as well. They've got some compensation from a couple of coal blocks of around 130 crores, I think 130 to around 150 crores. Total amount they had to receive was around 350 crores. So because of that special dividend meeting that is just uploaded on the exchanges, that's the reason, in fact, the stock is up, though the fundamentals as well were supporting.
Absolutely. One of the good movers in the mid-cap space. And there were several others as well, because the mid-cap index now, because the Nifty had that little bit of an adjustment that played out, a little bit of a basket sell perhaps. But the mid-cap index has most of its gains intact, and it is far closer to the day's high, so to speak. The advance decline ratio has been very positive today. 1,500 stocks advancing, just about 800 on the declining side. Large caps, obviously the problem was IT, and IT. So if we take a look at it, Infosys, TCS, some of the other names like Wipro as well, these large cap stocks basically down between 1 and 3%, depending on which one you're looking at. LTI Mindtree is the weakest of the lot, about 3% lower. And then the spoiler was in the form of private sector banks. Axis couldn't hold up, about 0.5% lower. HDFC Bank, again a non-starter, non-performer. Kotak at the flat line. So the banks weren't fighting, even SBI for that matter, lost its morning momentum and ended with just about a 0.25% increase. But then there were other stocks that kind of made up for it.
Well, auto, right? Auto in top gear, and auto has been one of the best performing indices this week also. Hero MotoCorp, Maruti Suzuki, these are your top two Nifty gainers for the day, with an up move of 3.5%. Bajaj Auto in the fast lane, Apollo Hospitals, UPL, Sun Pharma, SBI Life up and about in trade. But the mid-cap action, the advance decline ratio ends in favor of the gaining side, but not as strong as what we had started the day with.
Well, it was difficult the last 16 minutes, right? The markets were doing a bit of a ping pong out there. We thought we were going to go to around 22,200. The Nifty Bank not able to conquer the 47,000 odd mark. I've been making this point even this morning, even the last few sessions, that the Nifty Bank needs to take leadership, get back towards 48,500. If that happens, then the Nifty gets that crucial knockout punch. For the time being, that's missing. And that's why, yes, we go home with gains, but we come off close to around 100 points from the high point of the day. But happy weekend, guys. We're done and dusted.
And next week is just a 3-day week.
No, absolutely. I think we'll quibble about the participation.
We're sandwiched between holidays.
Volumes, all of that. But I mean, Friday anyways is a global holiday. Yeah. And Monday, I think we'll just be partying and playing.
I'm the numbers man, right? So 72 hours of a break you have right now. Come back for 72 hours and go back for another 72
hours. Well, that's a nice way to end Closing Bell from the entire team. Thank you for watching. But don't go anywhere. Our special Friday offering,